Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade tomato sauce. We will begin by selecting the best ingredients. For an authentic taste, choose about 2 pounds of ripes and Marzano tomatoes. These are known for their sweet, less acidic flavor, perfect for sauce. You will also need fresh basil, a few cloves of garlic, and good quality extra virgin olive oil. These simple components are the foundation of a truly wonderful sauce. Now let's prepare our tomatoes. First, score a small X on the bottom of each one. Then, blanch them in boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds, just until the skins begin to split. Quickly move them to an ice bath to halt the cooking. Once cooled, you can easily peel away the skins and remove the cores. Finally, roughly chop your tomatoes, and they are ready for the pot. With your tomatoes prepped, it's time to cook. In a large pot, sauté 2 minced garlic cloves and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are fragrant, but not browned. Add your chopped tomatoes, a generous pinch of salt, and several fresh basil leaves. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, stirring occasionally to develop a rich, deep flavor. Finally, let's perfect your sauce. Taste it and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt or a touch of sugar to balance the acidity. If you prefer a smoother texture, use an immersion blender directly in the pot or pass the sauce through a food mill. Once cooled completely, transfer your delicious homemade tomato sauce to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.